So the blue one, the water,
The blue is the cold water.
the water that going in,
Yeah,
suck it in. Yeah,
that's the blue.
yeah, and the hot is the water, the dirty coming out.
Yeah, coming out. Yeah.
Coming out to the drain. That's what it looks like.
That's slightly acid in there, so you're good.
Great.
The flame sensor right there.
Okay.
You pull this blue wire off, okay? You take the blue wire off. You use a 1/4 inch.
You want to clean the sensor, I guess, right?
Yes. You have to clean this every year, and then it'll save you many service calls. Many service calls.
Because of what, the dust is built up in there?
See how dirty
Oh,
it is?
yeah, it is.
So
Yeah.
if you have some sandpaper or the green, you know the stuff that you clean dishes
Yeah,
with?
yeah,
you
yeah.
can clean it, or even steel wool. Here, you can
Okay.
clean it, and then we'll put it back.
Okay, thank you.